Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today, it's been a while I know, but I'm going to be giving my interior a quick clean with some Juicy DL's gloss trim. I mean, it does actually do exterior, but yeah, because I use my car as my daily car, it does get a little dusty. So yeah, I'm going to literally spray it around the car and see what I think. It's not really a review. I've used the product many years ago when it was actually called a dash of Coke, I believe, because it does smell of a Coke orientation. Let's see what it says on the bottle. Spray sparingly onto a microfiber towel. Got one ready for you all. Wipe over surface to achieve your shine. Can be used on all interior and exterior trims. Great for using under the arches too. Well, I've only got about an hour of daylight. Maybe 2 hours actually. Yeah. But I'm not going to do under the arches today. When I remove the splash guards and do a rust proofing treatment on the car, which I will be doing soon, I'll do the plastics like that. But as it says, I've always done this myself anyway. I tend to spray the cloth and then wipe it on, because if you spray the stuff everywhere, it literally goes everywhere on the glass, and you can sometimes get residue, which is a bit naff. Right, so let's get on and start spraying. So ordinarily I'd spray this on outside the car, but I'm going to be cleaning the seats soon. So if they smell a little of Coke, then yeah, that's okay. So, as I said, I sprayed it onto my microfiber, and you'll have to forgive the sunshine, but it's nice to see. But yeah, that smells so nice. Yeah. And some of you may have been wondering where I've been. I've been, busy with work, like everybody else. I've been a little sick, like everybody else. I've also been playing Gran Turismo 7 a lot, because that came out the other day. Well, it actually came out on my birthday, if I'm honest. A lot of car modifiers will be shocked, but I'm 51 years old. Yep. I've been modifying cars since I was old enough to have a car. Well, I actually had my first car before I was 17, so I've been modifying cars for an awful long time. And although this one is kind of stalled and it's taking some time, as I said in a previous video, I do have some parts inbound. And it's something I want to do and get on with. Speaking of getting on, let's get on. Look at that. I mean, you can already see I've only done half the dash, and it's a quick white. But I mean, it's not like a silicone spray. That's right, sunshine. Quite often you get like a really bad remainder left if you use a silicone spray. But this one, to be honest, I don't even know if it's silicone free, but it just really works well. And I wish it was smell-o-vision, because when you open a certain canned beverage, yeah, my car now smells of that. Anyway, let's do a little bit more and then bring you back to show you what it's like. There we go, all done. You would have seen the panoramics by now. Yeah, everything's really clean and it's come out really neat. A very basic video, I know, and my hands now smell of Coke, a very nice beverage. So yeah, very brief video, but just thought I'd post something up. I've even done these bits up here, all of these back sides of the bits and bobs, the interior light. Look at that, eh? All done. Even the rears. Let's show you the rears that you would have seen. And I must admit, it's although it's glossy, it's not like silicone based high gloss. It's just, as you can see, just really, really clean, really clean. Super impressed with it. Anyway, I'm going to head back in, edit this video, upload it so you've got a few things to watch. I will get back to playing Gran Turismo 7. There are some parts coming. I keep saying this, but yeah, the world's slowly getting back to usual, and then obviously other world events happen. But yeah, hopefully I will have another video for you very soon with more updates and some shiny parts. So until then, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on and subscribe because there's more good stuff to come. Alright, thanks very much.